How to change your A's on Badoo. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your A's on Badoo. So to do that, first of all, open the Badoo app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Badoo account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where in order to change your A's, you'll have to first of all tap on your profile icon and then simply tap on the pencil icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on your name and your A's. Now if you look closely, you will be able to see an arrow where it says current location, meaning you can change your current location. But if you look closely, you won't see any arrow beside birthday and your gender, meaning you won't be able to change your A's on Badoo. So let me be clear, you won't be able to change your A's on Badoo. So if you really want to change your A's on Badoo, what you'll have to do is simply delete your Badoo account with this A's and simply create a new Badoo account with the A's you want to change. So that is the only way on how you can change your A's on Badoo. Hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.